Unmute myself.
Yes, start.
Continue. Yes. Today I'm here with a story where you will meet Mr. Cat and Kite. They are best friends. They play and sing together, and that is why they share their sound. Ka, ka, ka. One day, while they were playing, they found one box named Vowel. They found some toys. The toys name were A, E, I, O, and U. Inside the cat and kite both were very happy to see these toys. And as cat was elder, he asked kite that whether I can take my choice, select my toys first. Kite was very kind. He said, "Of course, why not? You select your toys first." Cat selected 3 toys. His toys, he selected A, he selected O, he selected U. This 3 toy, he was very happy. He was singing and dancing with this toy. He was playing merrily and singing all the time. Ah, oh, ah, ah, oh, ah. The kite was left with 2 toys, E and I. He was sad because he got only 2 toys. Then someone was watching all this and he saw that kite was not that happy. So someone, who came? A Mickey came. And Mickey said, "Why are you so sad? Don't be sad. I'll give you my toy. Why? You play with it." And the kite also had 3 vowel toys. This is how both cat and kite got their vowels shared, and they were very happy now. So in this way, we can say that C is sharing vowels A, O, and U, and K got his vowel I, E, and Y. So in letters, if you will see K at a cat, K at a cot, K at a cut, and K got kite and key. Now, next, this is all about initial sounds. Initial sounds along with like C will always go with the vowels A, O, U, and K will always go with the vowels I, E, and Y. And for the ending blends, we have done yesterday CK and K rule. And so today I have come up with a resource, which a game where you have to decide like CK will always like for CK. One second. Like this word. Can you see? Roma, can you tell me which ending blend will be used, CK or K? It's CK. CK. Yes, because it is a short vowel and short vowel need protection, and the knight will come and give the protection from the monster with his shield CK. So its answer is socks, CK. Yes. So now next, Neha, can you please video on your video? Neha is not there. Priya Darshini.
Kitchen.
Which will come here?
K.
Yes, K. K because E is the toy for K. Yes, very good. Now, I'll ask Neha. Neha, you are there, right? Neha, what will come here?
CK. Brick.
Brick. Yes.
CK.
Okay, very good. So it will go in the train, and for this I have made this train which will carry starting blends and ending, which I have to put there. But right now I'm showing you here only. Yeah. So here, which will come? I'll ask Ritu.
K.
Yes, very good. Next, Jennifer, are you there? Jennifer.
Yes. Yep. Yes.
Yes, Jennifer, what will come here? Ending blend, CK or K?
C. Yeah. CK. Stick.
Yeah, good. Now, Achi Cherian. Achi is not there. Jalpa. Jalpa, can you answer?
It's a CK because it's followed by the vowel.
Yeah, very good. Next,
Very good.
next Deepa. Yes, Deepa.
It's K. It's K.
Very
Milk.
great. Vidya.
Hello.
Yes, Vidya. Rock, CK or K?
Rock. CK.
Very good. Next, I will ask Rama. Rama is there? Okay, who is Mitansh Jain? I don't know.
Hi, Shruti.
Okay, Shruti, yeah.
It's desk.
What will come here? Like,
K.
yes, yes, very good. Now, again, Vidya. Vidya?
Yes.
Yes, which one?
K.
Very good. Now, Sudha ma'am?
Yes.
Which letter will come here?
C.
C. Okay, C, candy. So, for this,
Ink.
C or CK? Dipshita. Diptisha.
K.
Yes, very good. Now again, I'll ask anybody remaining. I guess Ashwini. Ashwini is left. Yeah, Ashwini. Ashwini is there? Not there? Okay, Sudha ma'am, you can give, like, your daughter can give the answer.
It's C because you is there.
It's cup. Yes, very good. Yes, who will love, like, Jalpa? Are you there?
Yes. It's a C because A.
Yes. And next, what will come? C or K? Initial blend, C or K? What will come?
K.
Very good. K. Now, Roma, can you tell me this? Unlock this.
It's K. K.
Yes, good job. Now, with the Deepa, you say. It's C or K, Deepa?
It's C. C for carrot.
Yes, good job. Everybody is doing great. Now, what will be here, Jennifer?
It's C. Car.
Very good. Great job. So, all these are in their boxes. Thank you. This was my resources for C and K. Yesterday, Shudha ma'am, thank you for this resources. I created it with 2 more badges like TCH and Judge. Thank you. I'm done. Thank you, ma'am. Shweta ma'am, are you there? She's not there.
Okay, yes, I was there only. Who's going to perform next? Who's ready? Roma. Okay, just a minute. I'm finding some kind of problem here. Let me check. Just a minute. I think click the wrong button.
Can I start, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. So, hello everyone. The rule which I'll be explaining is old wild rule. And if we all know the rule what it is, but if we explain it in the same way to a child, the child will get confused. So what I have done is, before starting, I will ask few questions to you. Okay. So any one of you can answer. Just two questions. Uh, how would you react if you see a child smiling?
If a child
Smiling.
smile, will smile back.
You'll smile, right?
Smile
Okay.
back.
And if how will you react if you see a clown performing? Clown,
Laugh.
you'll laugh. Okay. And how will you react if suddenly a ghost appears in front of you?
Scared.
You will shout, right? Similarly, I have made this puppet and I have written those combinations of those ghostly combinations of consonants. Say the consonant if I and O get followed by these, the vowels I and O, if followed by these ghostly combinations of consonants, they shout out their name loudly. So the word IND. The word IND, it's not ind, it's IND. Then OLD, it's not old, it's old. Then ILD, it's ild. OST is ost and OLT is old, as in kind, gold, child, ghost, and bone. And similarly, the child can be related to this, and we can explain him that likewise, if you see a ghost in front of you and you will shout out. Similarly, if these two consonants, that is I and O, if these are followed by if these two vowels I and O are followed by these combinations of these ghostly combination of consonants, they shout their name loud. Okay. And to remember all these combinations, there is a phrase, or you can say a tongue twister, which can be used to remember all these. These are
Kind old wild ghost.
wild, ghost, bolt. Okay, so this can be used to remember all the combinations of this. I hope it is clear to you all.
Yes,
Thank you.
very beautiful.
Thank you so much. Ma'am, I'm done. Shweta ma'am?
Yeah, next. Who is going to do it? Next, Sudha. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you allow to share the screen?
Yes. Yes, you can share.
About the walking vowel rule. This
This rule states that whenever two vowel friends go walking together, the first one will say its name and the second one will stay silent. Like here in AI, A will say its name and I will say silent. As AI sounds A, because I will be silent and let A speak his name. In OA, we'll say it O because O will say its name and A will
हाँ तो क्या हो गया एक्सप्लेन कर दो मतलब खाली ये दिखाना है दिस इज stop
A will stay silent. We'll say it I because I will say its name and E will stay silent.
There is one activity resource which we have made.
Here it is a cloud which is full of raindrops, and here we have two umbrellas which is A and AI. So we have to take the raindrops and then sort them accordingly for their umbrellas. We'll put the A raindrops here and AI here. This is the first word. Can anyone read it?
AI sound.
Again, we'll go in the AI umbrella. Then we have this word. Can anyone read it?
Nail.
So it will go in the AI umbrella. Then we have this raindrop. Can anyone? It will go in the A umbrella. Next word we have here is bag. It will go in the umbrella. Thank you.
Okay, next is Vidya.
Ma'am, it's Aarti.
Vidya or Aarti?
It was Aarti actually.
Okay.
Huh.
Can I, ma'am?
Yes, Aarti.
Yeah, I'm doing a shell rule. That is CIAL and a TIAL. So both are pronounced as like a shell, but before when it comes near the vowels, it means it follows CIAL. Remaining other consonants, it is TIAL. For example, because I made this teacup for only holding a 5 vowels, remaining the bucket has hold the consonants. For example, here you see before shell there is a O, that is short vowels. So this is followed in the teacup, like a facial, judicial, official, special, like that. Then before the shell, if there is a short vowels, it will follow CIAL. Like that, remaining consonants, we will follow TIAL. Impartial. See here N, so TIAL. Like that, here N, TIAL. Here also or, so TIAL. Like all other rules, there is also some exceptional cases. Here there were seven words is there. These are the 7 words. Initial, controversial, financial, palatial, commercial, spatial, and provincial. So it will not follow any rule. So I made a prison. So sent all the 7 into the prison.
Very nice.
That's all, ma'am.
Beautiful.
So teacup is a only small thing, so it can hold only 5 vowels. That's it. Is it anyone clear? Everyone clear? That's it.
Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
So who's next?
Vidya.
Yes, Vidya, you can start.
Ma'am, share screen, please.
Yeah, you can. You can share your screen.
Can I? Okay.
Yes.
And mobile રહ્યો છે.
Hello, kids. Today we are going to learn something new. Floss rule. What's floss rule? Something new we have heard. The rule, floss rule states that if a word has one vowel and if it ends in F, L, S or Z, double the last letter. The word floss is a perfect example of this rule as it contains the letters F, L and S, and S is at the end of the word. I'll still explain you. I know it's a little bit confusing. These letters double at the end of a word when they follow a short vowel sound. It is called the floss rule because most of this follow the pattern in the end F, L or S. Now let's get started. The floss rule. Short vowel plus F, you will do it as 2 F's. Short vowel sound plus ending word L, you will double it as L and L. Short vowel sound plus S, you will double the S. The floss spelling rule. If a word has one vowel and ends with a consonant F, L, S or Z, then double the last letter. That is G, A. The A is a short vowel and it ends with the last letter S. The consonant is S. So you double the S. Now the next one. B, A, L, ball. So the ending consonant is L and there is a short vowel A sound before the consonant L sound. So we double the L. Now, can we double it? Can somebody answer this thing?
No.
No. Why can't we double it? Because it doesn't end with the consonant F, L, S or Z. Even though A gives you a short vowel sound, but because the ending is consonant N, so you cannot double it. So it is pen. It's not okay. Now, these are the list of words which end in FF, LL, SS and Z words. Okay, like off, cuff, stuff, doll, full, well, miss, mess, buzz, fuzz. But there are exceptions to this rule also, like if. So you cannot double the last consonant, that is F. Again, gas, gas. You cannot double the consonant letter ending S. Again, here as bus, you cannot double it because these are the exceptions to this rules. So you should crumble it and you throw it off because you cannot double the rule. So we can now classify into 4 cups, and we can segregate these words into this 4 cups. Now class goes into which bucket? Yellow, blue, red or green?
Yellow.
Yellow, very good. Buff goes into which bucket? Yellow, green, red, blue? Hello?
Red.
Red, okay. And buzz goes into which bucket? Yellow,
Blue.
blue, yes. And smell goes into which bucket?
Green bucket.
Arre, wow, superb. Good. Clap for you. I hope you have all understood the floss rule. Thank you. I'm done, ma'am. Thank you.
Cut करो phone.
Very nice.
Mama.
Kindly mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank
who's
you.
coming up next? After Vidya, who's coming up? Everyone have to prepare 1 minute video or presentation.
Ma'am, just 1 minute to add. Like as I showed you the last slide, so we can take small cups, paper cups. We can cut out the words and we can show the kids. I didn't get time actually, otherwise I would have prepared it. And then we can ask them to actually to sort it out, like how Bhumika showed, or how Sudhaji showed, and like that the umbrella thing, or Bhumika showed us the CK ending rule and all. So we can do that also. That is also like an actual physical activity of putting it into the paper cups. I mean, those are easily available at anybody's home.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Priya, are you ready? Geeta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
But Neha is asking before me, ma'am. Shall I start or Neha will?
Acha.
Say.
Okay. Neha, do you want to start first? Is it Neha Gurame?
No. Yes, ma'am. You, Geeta can continue. No issues.
Okay, Geeta, please start.
First, I'm going to explain magic E rule. Is it visible?
Yes.
I have a magic E rope. These are the words cut. But if the magic E rope comes at the end, the word cut becomes a cute. Why it happened? The magic key changes the vowel a sound, becomes its original letter sound U. So the cut becomes a cute. And hug. But when the magic key comes here, the vowel sound a becomes its original letter sound U. Huge. Like that. Wherever the magic key comes at the last, the vowel sound go back, it's a original letter sound. This is a magic E rule. And it's a K and CK rule.
Wow.
If the K sound followed by a consonant one, then at last the letter K will place. Here, the milk. The K sound followed by a consonant letter L. And here, the risk. The K sound followed by a consonant one is. So, here, all the K sounds followed by a consonant one. If the K sound followed by a consonant one is, the kite will start to fly away with the ending letter K. So the fly take all the K sound words followed by a consonant. It takes fly away from with the K. and the ending letter is K. Again, if the K sound followed by a short vowel a, e, o, then the ending letter will become CK. So, pick, pack, luck. Here, all the curse on followed by a short vowel sound e, a. So the truck will pick all those curse sound words ending letter with the ending letter of CK. So what are the two conditions of if the curse sound followed by the letter consonant means this kite. Take all those words with the K ending letter and fly away. And here the cow sound is followed by a vowel. Short vowel means the truck will pick all those words with the ending letter of CK. Here is a rabbit rule. If the word is a two-syllable word, that means the word is having a two vowels, any vowels A, E, I, O, U, and the first one is a short vowel, then what the rabbit is doing? The rabbit will double the middle consonant vowels. It double the consonant vowels as a 2 times. Here, butter, it's the first syllable, second syllable, and the first one is a short vowel. So what the rabbit is doing? It doubles the middle consonant. It. So it becomes a butter. Like that, jammer. Ja is a short vowel. The first one is a short vowel, and the second is a second syllable. What the rabbit is doing? It doubles the consonant, middle consonant, yam. So it becomes a jammer. The rabbit rule. So what the rabbit is doing? The word is a 2-syllable word. The rabbit doubles the middle consonant sound. And it's a soft G, hard G rule. The G comes with the vowels A, O. Then G sounds as a the G sounds like a hard G. G, A, F, gap. G, in, gun. G, o, ch, got. So whenever the G meets the vowels A, O, the G becomes a hard G. So for representing the hard one, I place the ice cream stick here. If the G meets the vowel A, E, and the letter Y, it becomes a soft G. G, E, L, gel. G, Y, M, gym. So whenever the G meets the vowel E, I, Y, then it becomes a soft G. Gym, ginger, giraffe, and gym. That's it, ma'am.
Great resource. Very good. Loved it.
Again, one thing I have is a floss rule, but the floss rule is explained already with your
So you can
explained.
you can just share the picture. Everyone knows the rule, so you can just show the resource. You don't have to explain it. Okay. If you have any resource, you can show it to everyone. No explanation is required because they all have understood. Okay. Okay.
This is for the class room.
So who's going to do it? Do next? Okay, Neha. Yes, Neha.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, so good afternoon to one and all. I'm going to explain, I'm going to show a rabbit rule. So for this, I have prepared the resource. I have prepared I hope this is visible to all.
Yes.
I have prepared a rabbit. So for rabbit rule, when word follow a rabbit rule, when there are two syllables are there, when two syllables are there, that means two vowels are there. One should be a short vowel and other should be a long vowel along with the along with the middle consonant. We have to double the consonant. So the word becomes ma a is a short vowel, ma a f e n muffin. I have prepared some words which follows the rabbit rule. So the first word we have already seen, that is muffin. Other one, rabbit. Chuggle, giggle, and carrot. So this this is also called as double consonant rule, or this is a rabbit rule. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Okay, Neha. Good. So who is coming next? Ritu? Okay. Yes, Ritu.
Please allow me to share the screen.
Yes, you can. Yes, start, Ritu.
Is it not audible?
No. You have to go to share audio. Share sound.
Wait.
By the time, if somebody else wants. Okay, now we can hear.
Hello everyone, I am D, the defender D, and when I come with G and E, I defend. I stop magic E to make the short vowel say its name, like in bridge, edge, fudge, smudge, wedge.
Bridge, wedge, fudge. Okay, ma'am, I'm done.
Can you show it again, because it was very fast? Can you show it again?
Okay.
Hello everyone, I am D, the defender D, and when I come with G and E, I defend. I stop magic E to make the short vowel say its name, like in bridge, edge, fudge, smudge, wedge.
Bridge, wedge, fudge.
Okay, Ritu. Next. So I'll just call out the names. Bhumika has done, Aarti has done. Archie, are you there? Archie? Archie? Deepa, Achi, Deepa, Jalpa, Jayana, Jennifer. Kindly come up by yourself so that we save our time. Deepa, are you ready?
Shweta ji, I've prepared a PowerPoint. It's just an inspiration because I just Googled something and I found something for Bossy R.
Okay, good.
So let me, I don't know how good it is, but let me give it a try.
Yeah,
So
sure.
can I share the screen?
Yes, yes.
It's not that well done, but I couldn't get much time. Okay, hello everyone. So my topic of discussion today is Bossy R. And first we'll discuss about the vowels. So can someone tell me what are vowels?
A,
What are the?
E, O, A.
Correct, very good. And what is this something, is there anything special about vowels?
They are single letters.
Correct. And sometimes they give us, they have two sounds, right? The soft and
Long.
The short
yes,
and the long ones.
and the long ones. So, but when sometimes it happens that they don't have both the sounds and they make another sound, and it's when the bossy R comes in. So it's the bossy R which makes the vowels say a different sounds when it comes after them. So normally, sometimes we need to learn about the special combinations include the letter R. When the vowel is followed by letter R, the sound changes to something new. Some people call it the bossy R for this reason. In most of the words with the vowel in the middle, the vowel sound, the short sound like in the words cat, fat, and sit. If we make the letter of each word and change it to R, then they become new words. And they are car, far, sir. So all the sounds have changed here when the R comes in after the vowels. So let's see, we have a story for this and we will read the story and find out how the bossy R changes the sound of the vowels. So the story goes like, it's the bird, the story is called Bird, Star, and the Bossy R story. And shall we read it? Once upon a time, there was a little bear. So here the R comes in and it changes the sound of the vowel. So it says as bear and named Star. So here R again changes the sound of word A and it becomes a star. She went on many adventures. Can you find where is there a bossy R here in this word? Can you find a bossy R?
You are.
So how is it?
U-R.
And how do you spell you here?
R.
That's not the real sound of you, right?
Yes.
So here again, the R changes the sound of you. So again, the bossy R comes here with her friends, with her friend Bird. Bird. One day, the two friends were playing. They pretended to see a baker. Again, E-R. And her assistant who turned berries from the forest into pies. Star decided she would also add a fern to her pie. E-R, again, the sound of E changes here because of the bossy R. Before they began, the two friends washed their. R comes in and changes the sound of I from I to their. Hands to get rid of germs. Again, E, sound changes to They wrote a card that said S and B Bakery to put in the window. Then Star turned the bird and politely asked if she could borrow her stick to stir her creation. Bird said yes, and Star turned. U changes, R changes the sound for the vowel U because of bossy R here again. To begin, while Star was stirring, Bird was feeling curious and saw a purse sitting on a chair by the door. She picked it up and shook it. Out fell a long braided cord with a fork attached to it. She said, "How strange," and asked Star what she thought. Star said with alarm in her voice, "That's my mama's purse. We should put it away." So they quickly cleaned up the mess and went outside to find a new adventure. And after this, we have an activity wherein we have cut out each words and glue it in the box. So we have some words here and the child needs to cut out these words and put it in the proper boxes. So can you please, one by one, can you tell me where this word adventure goes? A-R, E-R, I-R, O-R, or U-R?
U-R.
Correct.
U-R.
A-R, turned.
U-R.
U-R, very good.
U-R.
Very good. Borrow.
O-R.
O-R.
Fair.
A-R.
A-R. And then U-R.
Word. Which is the next word? Can someone say the word first?
Right.
It's
Chair.
I-R.
A-I.
I-R. It's I-R.
I-R.
Curious.
U-R. U-R.
I-R.
Fork.
U-R.
I'm sorry, my battery is getting low. Ma'am, my battery is getting low. I think I need to, I think I'll stop it here itself.
Okay, okay.
Thank you, everyone.
We have understood the concept. It was very nice. So I think
Thank
we
you.
have finished up with all the presentations. Is there anybody who's left? Let me know. Is there anyone who's left? Otherwise, let's start with the workshop.